Hey amigas, welcome back to another video where I'm going to be showing you how I'm decorating my porch for the fall season for the first time. And of course, I have a budget, so check out how I transform our porch with less than $100. We're going to make our way to the nursery now. Well, it's not a nursery, it's called Produce Junction, and we're gonna get all of the mums, all of the pumpkins, and let's see. I took measurements of the space because like I said, this is my first time ever decorating our porch. So let's see what we find there.
I have been for 9 years.
Oh, 3 for 11. One of my favorite things about the fall is the fall color palette with browns and yellows, oranges and reds and burgundies. And I wanted to implement every single color in my porch. If you, like me, want to implement color into your home decor, start with the colors of nature. And who knew that there were so many colorful different types of pumpkins? I mean, I've never seen this beautiful fairy tale pumpkins in different colors. Greens, pinks. The best part is that these are natural elements that will blend in with your environment, so you don't have to worry about coordinating colors. They will all look beautiful together, just like these flowers. That was my first time going to that market, and I think it was a very successful trip. We had to rush back because it's football season. If you know, you know. But can you believe that all of these flowers were only $46? So I have to make sure that they last all season long. So I'm giving them a good soak before putting them in the porch to make sure they are well hydrated. If you have any tips on how to keep moms alive all season long, please let me know in the comments. Got some flowers. That's gonna be for our living room. They're so pretty. Our power washer is back, and this is the perfect tool to use for this type of job of cleaning outdoor spaces. As you can imagine, this is the first time we're cleaning our porch, and it was so filthy. And if you haven't watched my video about my outdoor makeover, please make sure you check it out. I go into detail about the power washer that I'm using, the things that I liked about it, the things that I didn't like about it, and you should definitely check that video out. And while you're at it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love making videos about home decor, design, some lifestyle, and I would love to have you in this community. That was a lot of work, but it looks so much better. I'm back home now, and the sun has already set, and I'm here with all of my pumpkins, me and my pumpkins. Jason helped me carry it out, and now I put all of them in the kitchen, and I'm gonna give them a bath in the solution that I created with dish soap and white distilled vinegar. And this is supposed to help the pumpkins last the whole season. And you could also use bleach, but I'm not using bleach. I heard that it's better if you just use vinegar, and you can feed them to the wildlife after the season is done. So I'm gonna start cleaning all of them, and I'm gonna let them dry in the garage overnight, and then we'll put everything together in the morning. Now that they're all clean, I'm gonna go back and just spray it with this, let it air dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll put it back in the porch. Okay, so it is the next day and the pumpkins dry overnight. So I used to be a great indoor plant mom until I wasn't. I wanted to simplify my life and I got rid of indoor plants. That's a long story. But as a result of that, I have a ton of pots and planters that are not being used right now, including this beautiful terracotta planter. And I'm gonna use it to put some of my moms in them and give it, some more interest, because some of them are potted in plastic, so it doesn't look as nice. Sitting on my porch, and this is already looking and feeling so much better. Just by simply adding the moms to the space, it just created this welcoming atmosphere to it, and I was smiling every time that I drove past because it just feels so nice. So I can't wait to see the finished product. I'm not sure if this is a great idea, but I'm in search of more texture. And what a better way than adding texture, especially to your outdoor space, than with burlap. And something I didn't know they had different color. I always think of the natural one, but this mustard color was so beautiful, and it goes perfectly with the fall palette that I'm going for. And I didn't know they had green, the brown, and even black burlap. I learned something new. I also learned the proper way on how to cut burlap.
Cut it, and there's little slits that you can pull out of here, and then it'll give you a line to do it.
Nice.
Yes.
So I don't have to cut like the whole thing.
No, like this. You find like little things like that, and you just pull it out.
Oh.
And see how it gives you the line there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you just cut right on the line.
Nice. I would like to show you that it is possible to repurpose and reuse your old home decor. There is also something special about creating something new out of something already used or secondhand. This is just a gentle reminder of how you can repurpose any decor that you have in your home without having to buy something new every single season. You can see how stripping this away makes it almost a blank canvas. And if I take the pumpkins away, it can just become a Christmas wreath. If I take everything away, I can make it a spring, summer wreath. The possibilities are truly endless. As you can see, I needed to add a little spark with some acrylic paint in gold, and it made such a big difference. As you can see, there's like a small little shine and then something sparkly on these branches and even the cone before, which is still really nice, but this is more of what I'm looking for. Why I don't do more of these type of projects, because they're so relaxing. Wow. This looks so beautiful. What an amazing transformation. And yes, I did it with less than $100 in just a few days. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it. Remember, sometimes all you need is to decorate. I hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as part of my community. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones. Happy fall!